Here we have a pressure controller, high, low. You can tell it's the low side because you've got two dials. Cut off and how long it comes for. I want to put the capillary tube onto the low pressure side and free this service port up for vacuuming. And the first thing I've done, scarred the pipe. And now I want to put this Schrader port in. Screw, service point